Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial that you guys have requested. I'm talking about the DecoCraft mod. Before I get into this tutorial, however, I want to first tell you that if you're new to my channel and find my videos useful, then please subscribe because it really does help and make a difference. At this moment, my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please help me grow out my channel by subscribing. Thank you. On my previous videos, some of you have requested I make videos showing you how to download certain mods, and I have them all noted down and will make a video for each, so stay tuned for them. This video will be on DecoCraft Mod for 1.12.2 version for Mac. If you want me to show you how to download this same mod but for another version, then tell me in the comments below and I'll try to make a video showing you how to do so. But for now, let's get into this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is download Forge. You have to make sure that the version of Forge you download is the same as the version of the mod. In this case, it's 1.12.2. Although the 1.14.4 version for Minecraft is out, it's not worth downloading that version of Forge, as very few mods are actually available in 1.14.4. The best Forges to download are 1.12 and 1.12.2. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to download Forge 1.12 for Mac, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description box below. The reason why you might want an older version of Forge is because there are more mods available for 1.12 than for 1.12.2. Alternatively, you can continue watching this video where I go over how to download Forge 1.12.2. So the first thing you want to do is click on the second link in the description, which will lead you to this Forge website. Once you're here, what you want to do is go to download latest, which is just as safe and probably better, in my opinion, than the recommended version. So click on installer and it will start downloading. Once it does, then it will warn you that it might harm your computer, but it doesn't. It has never harmed mine. So you can click keep and it will download, and then you can drag it to your desktop. And then you can, if you double click it, however, it won't let you open it because it's an unidentified developer. So what you want to do is to click on System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and then click on Open Anyway, and then Open. And it should open. And this should pop up and it should say install client. You should select that and then click OK, and it will start to install. It doesn't take long, and then it should say that successfully installed. If it doesn't show you this message, then you have not managed to download Forge and the mod will not work. If you want the Forge 1.12 version, then click on the first link in the description, as I said before, which contains another detailed step-by-step tutorial for Forge, if you're also interested in that. But for now, if you got this message, then you have successfully installed Forge 1.12.2, and you can go on with downloading the rest of the things required for this mod. So what you want to do next is click on the third link in the description, which will lead you to this website. One second. This website, which is something you have to download alongside the mod, which will help it run smoothly and not crash. And anyway, so as you can see here, it's used for more mods. So DecoCraft Mod, which we're using now, also the Camera Obscura mod and TVA mods. I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, okay, so scroll down until you see for Minecraft 1.12.2. As you see, this is the only option, so it's great because it corresponds with the Forge version we have downloaded. So you can go ahead and click on download from server 1, and if this doesn't work, then click on download from server 2. One of them has to for sure work. It has never happened to me for neither of them to work. So click on server 1 and then on download. And it has downloaded, and you click keep, and then you, oh wait, You can delete these now, the Forge things, because you no longer need them. You have already installed Forge, so okay. Then you, with this PTR mod thingy, you drag it to your desktop, and for now we're gonna leave it there. And you can click on the, let me just delete. You can click on the fourth link in the description, which will lead you to the actual, wait a second, to the actual DecoCraft Mod website. Decorate your world. These descriptions are just insane. Anyway, so what you want to do is to scroll until you see the decoration section, the download section, sorry. And as you can see, the requirements are Minecraft Forge, which we have downloaded at the beginning of this video, and PTR lib thing, which we have just downloaded. And now we can download the actual mod. And we go down, 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 until we see the for Minecraft 1.12.2 version. And we click on download from server 1. Again, if this doesn't work, click on this one. And one of them has to work. So let's just click on server 1 and see if it works. If it doesn't, then... So here is an example when server 1 doesn't work, it doesn't load. So we're just going to try server 2. And as you can see, this one works. So it's all good. And once it has downloaded, it's gonna warn you again. So you just click keep and then drag it to your desktop. Okay, so now you have officially downloaded everything you need for this mod. So you have Forge 1.12.2, which is also useful for any other mod that you want to download in the future. And for this one, of course. And you should have downloaded PTR, this one that helps DecoCraft work, so all of them are in the same corresponding version. What you want to do next is make sure that Spider is here and click on Go. Click on Go to Folder. Wait, let me just... So do this again, go to Folder, and this will appear. So write this exact thing in your search engine. I'm gonna wait. Okay, once you have, so make sure there's this squiggly line thing. Okay, and then you click Go, and it will lead you to the Minecraft folder where you should look for the mods folder. If you don't have a mods folder, then don't worry, all you have to do is create a new folder and name it mods. Then you can go ahead and click on it. I have no mods inside. You might have mods, might not have mods. Either way, it doesn't matter. Just drag the two new mods you have downloaded and drag them into the mods folder. So making sure that they're both there, you can close the mods folder. And the next thing you want to do is click on Minecraft. Wait for it to open, of course. And then once it has opened, you want to click on installations. And I have Forge 1.12.2 already created, but you probably won't have it. So let's just pretend, let's just delete this. So let's say this is what you'll see. You don't have Forge 1.12.2. What you want to do is click on New, name it Forge 1.12.2. And then click on version, and we're not interested in the latest version 1.14.4 because that's not Forge. That doesn't have Forge, that won't support DecoCraft, so we're not interested in it. What we're interested in is the Forge we have downloaded, so it's here. As you can see, I have more Forges, but I'm only interested in the one that has the biggest number, which is 5 in my case. You probably will only have one, but if you have more, then just click the one which has the largest number here, because it's the latest one you have downloaded, so it might be the best. So click on it, and then click on create, and you will see it appears here, and then just go click on play, click here and then select the one you have just created, which is this one, and then click on play. Now because you have mods now, it's gonna take a longer while for it to load and launch Minecraft, so bear with it. Like, it's not gonna take hours. If it takes hours, then there's a problem. It's gonna take a few minutes, and I'm just gonna skip over this part because it's redundant. So once Minecraft has loaded, you will be able to see 6 mods loaded, 6 mods active. And if you want to make sure that DecoCraft has been successfully installed, then you can go ahead and click on mods and scroll down, and you will see DecoCraft and also the other mod you have downloaded to help DecoCraft load. So DecoCraft is here, and now you can go ahead and play, and you will have DecoCraft there. If you ever want to remove it, you can click disable, or you can just take it out of your mods folder. It depends on what you want to do, but for now it's on and you're ready to play. This was pretty much it for today, guys. If you found this video in any way useful, then please leave a like and subscribe, because as I said before, it really helps and makes a difference. If you got stuck in any step in this video, then go ahead and leave a comment and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. In future videos, I will be showing you how to download the following mod, the Capes mod. Also, as I previously mentioned, if you want me to show you how to download another mod, or this mod but for another version like 1.7.10, for example, then also leave a comment below. I'll add it to my list of videos that I should make and post it as soon as I can. If you want to check out any of my other Minecraft tutorials like the Twilight mod or the Animania mod, then I'll link some down below, or you can click on my channel and view them there. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in future videos. Bye!